Want to start using Facebook Messenger bot marketing in your business? In this video, I'm going to shortcut the learning curve for you, so by the end of this video, you will be up and running using Facebook Messenger bot marketing in your business. Hi, I'm Heather Trevine of heathertrevine.com, and I work with ambitious online entrepreneurs who are looking to increase their income and impact with smart Facebook Messenger bot marketing strategies. And for the best Messenger bot marketing tips, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video each and every week.
So step one in getting our Facebook Messenger bot set up correctly is to go and get ourselves a free ManyChat account. Now, ManyChat is the software that I like to use to automate our bot. And the reason why I like ManyChat is because, one, it has a pretty darn robust free version of it. So when you're first starting out, the free version is more than enough to sort of dip your toe and see if messenger marketing is going to be something you're going to commit to using in your business. And two, it also is pretty darn user-friendly and doesn't require any coding to get started. Step two is to get your welcome message set up. So here I am in our ManyChat dashboard. Once you've signed in, you're going to go down the left-hand column. You're going to open up automation and click welcome message. And in here, we're going to get a welcome message set up. Now, the welcome message is the message someone will receive if they've hit the send message button on your Facebook page, or they've initiated a message to you inside of your bot that's outside of you, either bringing them into your bot through a growth tool or some other means. This is out of the blue, them sending a message to you. This is the automatic message they would get back. So we're going to go in here, and I recommend greeting them and then saying a sentence or two about what they could expect. So the first button, you could send them to a free guide, and then you could enter the website here that the free guide is connected to. I'm going to pretend that this directs them to a free guide. And then here we could let them know that we have a free group. And I could connect this to my group URL. Okay, now we can hit preview to see what this is going to look like. They open a messenger. And then here it is. Step three is to get our main menu set up. So now we've had the welcome message set up. The main menu is the menu that sits at the bottom of our bot. So it sits at the bottom whether we're on mobile or desktop, and you are able, if you have a free account, to have two menu items located there. So let's jump over to the main menu. We're here right now, and it's under automation, just like the welcome message. We're gonna want to have two call to actions that are probably resources that will help your target audience. So again, we could do something like set up our freebie. So if we have a free guide or a piece of content, you would put this here, and you could either reply with a message or you could open up a website. For the sake of simplicity, we're just going to, pretend there's a website here that it's going to go to, that you connected this free guide to. And then number two could be, again, our free group. Now it's entirely up to you what you want to put here. And again, we'll put that link to the free group. And then we'll update our main menu. Ta-da! And now we have our main menu all set up. Okay, now we have our welcome message set up. we have our main menu all ready to go for our very new subscribers to our bot. But now we need a way to get folks subscribed to our bot. And we have these awesome growth tools, is what ManyChat calls them. Right here, you could see them in the left nav bar. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite growth tools right here. And then we're going to click on New Growth Tool. And here we are. You can see all the different growth tools. Some of these you are only available to pro accounts, but the one I'm going to show you that is for free accounts as well is the Messenger reference URL. And the cool thing about the Messenger reference URL is basically it is a custom link that you can set up, similar to like a bit.ly link will let you set up a custom link to direct them somewhere. A Messenger reference URL is a custom link that you can create to send folks to a specific message inside of your bot. And if you want to see an example of this, I have a absolutely free guide that you might want to snag anyways. But even if you just want to, for the sake of seeing the Messenger reference URL in action, the link that is below this video where you can snag my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide, that is an example of a Messenger ref URL link. And I'm going to show you how you can set up the Messenger ref URL link right now. But I want you to start thinking about where you can use this link, because this link can be used anywhere you can use a link. And you can direct folks to click on this link, hit the Get Started button, they'll drop into a message inside of your bot, and they'll become subscribers of your bot. So you can use this link in a Facebook post. You could use this link and email it to your email subscribers. You could share this in a social post elsewhere on Twitter or what have you, in your Facebook groups. You get the idea. You can use this link wherever you currently already have fans, subscribers, an audience of some sort, and use this to get your first subscribers to your bot. So step one is here, you can see that you have an opt-in message. And so what we can do is we can just go here and they already have one here, and we'll just use this for the sake of time. Welcome, first name, thank you for subscribing. The next post is coming soon, stay tuned. Nothing fancy. They've let them know, which I think is great. P.S. If you ever want to unsubscribe, just type stop. But you could put whatever message you want here for this link. So it could be to a freebie guide like the example that I have below. It could be to another sequence. You could be welcoming folks to a 5-day challenge. There's just so many things you could be using this ref link URL for. And so then we go back here. I've clicked here. So we got the opt-in message done. Then next, we hit the next button, and there you see right here is the Messenger ref URL. And here I can copy it to my clipboard, and now I can use that link wherever I can share a link and start getting new subscribers to my bot, which is pretty darn exciting. Now, step 5. So we've set up our welcome message, our main menu, we have our Messenger reference URL, and we're starting to get new subscribers. And step 5 is to start nurturing them by sending broadcast messages. And so we're going to go to our nav bar and click on broadcast. And basically a broadcast message is similar to an email message. We are going to send a broadcast message and pretend we're sending one right now, letting folks know that we are about to jump on a Facebook Live and invite our subscribers to come join us for something that we are teaching on a Facebook Live. Okay, so we have invited them. We've asked a question so that they have to interact with our bot in order to jump on over. Okay, next step is in settings. This is a subscription broadcast because we are not directly promoting anything in this video. And we've also asked them a question so that they have to interact in order to be directed to the Facebook Live. Here is targeting. Now in targeting, we could segment based on tags that we've created, a growth tool they opted in through, or perhaps a sequence that they're subscribed to. Right now, we're just gonna send it to everybody on our list, and we're going to send it now, but we could schedule this for another time. And then we are going to do only one regular notification is what I like. And then we're going to leave it for send all at the same time, since that's what we're doing right now. And I'm not going to click it because I don't actually want to send it, but this is where you would click send now to send out the broadcast.
Now you're ready to hit the ground running using a Facebook Messenger bot strategy in your business. But wait, there's more. If you want to dive even deeper, be sure to snag my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. It is the definitive guide on getting you started using and growing a messenger bot list in your business. You can snag the guide by clicking the link below this video. If you want to join a tribe of other like-minded entrepreneurs who are learning about using messenger marketing in their business, be sure to hop on over and join my Messenger Bots community to get the support you need to use a Facebook Messenger bot strategy in your business. If you liked this video, be sure to let me know by hitting that like button below and leave me some comments and letting me know if you have any questions as it relates to Facebook Messenger bot marketing. And please be sure to subscribe. I will see you next week, and thanks so much for watching.